We are Group 1 and we are going to talk about safety measures before, during, and after earthquakes.
So what is an earthquake?
An earthquake is a cause of tectonic movements on the Earth's crust, and they occur naturally.
Do not know when earthquakes will happen, so here are some preparations to do for these kinds of disaster.
Ito yung mga bagay na kailangan ihanda kung sakaling may dumating na kalamidad.
Una sa lahat, kailangan natin ng mga pagkain madaling ihanda tulad ng canned goods, pati cup noodles. Kailangan din natin ng tubig na may inom tulad nito.
So, pangalawa, kailangan din natin maganda ng first aid kit. Para kung sakaling may maaksidente, may handa tayong panggamot.
Pangatlo, kailangan natin mga bagay na pangkomunikasyon tulad ng cellphone. At pera naman, tsaka power bank para sa enerhiya.
If you are indoors, you should learn the drop, cover, and hold position. You should stay inside, cover your head and torso to prevent being hit by falling objects. Kapag nasa loob tayo ng isang establishmento, maghanap tayo ng isang bagay na pwedeng ipantakip sa ating ulo. Pagtapos, agad kang lumabas at pumunta sa isang ligtas na lugar.
Uy! Hala! Namilin ka!
After an earthquake, we should be alert for any aftershocks. We should stay in our places, and if we have our mobile phones with us, check for the latest news and call emergency hotlines for help.